Now that you know the basics of the BSc Honors degree, let's examine your Kinesiology and Health Science, or KIN, degree program. In order to graduate with a BSc Specialized Honors Kinesiology and Health Science degree, you must complete a minimum of 120 credits with an overall grade point average of 5, or a C+, and you must complete 8 physical activity practicum requirements, or PKINs. Here is a visual representation of your degree. We will review this chart again at the end of the presentation. Please note, as a transfer student, you may have been granted credits from your previous studies. In a later presentation, we will explain how to determine and apply your transfer credits. The main components of a KIN BSc degree include general education and basic science requirements, science courses taken outside of the major requirements, which include kinesiology and health science courses and physical activity practicum courses, and upper level requirements. Now, let's examine each of these components more carefully.
The general education requirements for your degree are as follows. A minimum of 18 credits, 6 credits at the 1000 level, chosen from the humanities area, 6 credits at the 1000 level, chosen from the social science area, and 6 credits at the 1000 level, chosen from the humanities or social science area. To confirm if a course is eligible for general education, please visit the current student's webpage. Click on Search for Courses. Click on Search Courses by General Education. On this page, select your faculty, the Faculty of Health, then select your degree type and click on Search Courses. This list will show you all eligible general education courses being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your social science requirement.
For the basic science requirement, students are required to choose a minimum of 15 credits. 6 credits in mathematics selected from the following, 3 credits in computer science selected from the following, and 6 credits in science selected from the following. You must also take a minimum of 9 credits in science discipline outside your major, of which 3 credits must be at the 2000 level or above. These courses can be taken from the following: all courses offered through the Faculty of Science, and all psychology courses, excluding the list below. Just remember that courses outside your major might be course credit exclusions for KIN courses, and therefore cannot be used to satisfy this requirement. Okay, so now that we've reviewed the general education and courses outside your major requirements, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to credits that you need to take in the program to which you've been admitted. In your case, Kinesiology and Health Science, or KIN. For a specialized honors degree, you will need at least 60 credits in KIN. You will also be required to complete 8 practicum courses, but more on this later. As part of the 60 credits required for your KIN major, you must complete the following 42 Kinesiology and Health Science core credits. These include 12 credits at the 1000 level, 12 credits at the 2000 level, 12 credits at the 3000 level, and 6 credits at the 4000 level. In addition, you must complete 18 Kinesiology and Health Science credits, of which 6 credits must be at the 4000 level. The completion of these courses will ensure that you will have a solid foundation in the study of kinesiology and health science. KIN students are also required to complete physical activity practicum courses, otherwise known as PKINs. PKINs are small group physical activity classes which allow you to apply classroom theory to real-life situations. PKINs are required for your degree and will appear on your transcript. However, the grade you receive for a PKIN will not be calculated as part of your overall grade point average. There are no tuition fees charged for PKIN courses. You are required to take a total of 8 PKINs, including 1 from each of the 6 areas, plus 2 elective PKINs of your choice. The areas of the PKIN core are listed below. As discussed in the previous presentation, upper level credits are courses that undergraduate students generally take in their 3rd and 4th year of studies. As a KIN Specialized Honors BSc student, you are required to take 42 upper-level credits at the 3,000 or 4,000 level. The last piece of information you need to know about your BSc degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 120 credits and maintain honor standings, which is an overall grade point average of 5, or a C+. Now let's take a second look at that degree chart. You will need 120 credits in order to obtain a kinesiology and health science degree. Those 120 credits will be comprised of 33 general education and basic science credits, 9 science credits taken outside of the major, 60 kinesiology and health science major credits, and 18 additional credits. You will also need to take 8 PKIN courses. Now don't forget, of the 120 total credits needed to graduate, 42 must be upper level credits.